how to fix Instagram story height setting not working problem. Hello friends, welcome back to how to fix it YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix Instagram story height setting not working problem. Okay, so guys, if you want to hide some friends from your story, okay, if you doesn't want some people to see your story, then how you can hide your story from them. In this video I'm going to show you that process. Okay, so if you don't know, then you can never do this setting. I'm going to show you the setting as well, and I'm going to show you the solution as well. So just uh, keep watching the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now we can start a video, and let's check it out, how we can solve the problem and how we have to hide friends from our story. Okay, so at first we need to go to our Play Store. Okay, we need to go to our Play Store, we need to search for Instagram. After searching the Instagram, we need to update it. Okay, so from here we need to update our Instagram. So updating is must, you have to update it. And then guys, go to setting, scroll it down, go to application and permissions, and then you have to go to app manager. Okay, so here you may find app manager, manage app, or install app in some different Android phones. So after that you have to scroll down and you need to search here for Instagram. So go to Instagram, force stop it. After force stop, you need to go to, okay, first stop, click OK, and then go to internal storage, click on clear data, click OK. So clear the data, and then go to permissions, allow all the permissions step by step. Okay, you have to allow all the permissions. So after allowing all the permissions, you need to go back, and then guys, what you need to do is restart your phone and then turn on your Instagram. After that, go to your story or camera. Okay, go to your story or camera, and then guys, here you can see setting. So you need to click here, and after that, as you can see, hide story from 37 people. Okay, so I'm already using this process. So now I'll first unhide all the persons from here. Okay, so guys, just give me a minute. So I think it is done. Okay, or still is left. So now three more. Okay, done. So guys, let's go back, and you can see hide from 0 people. Okay, so this will be your interface. So you need to click on here on 0 people. Okay, click here, and then guys, you have to select those people to whom you don't want to show your story. For example, if you don't want to show your story to all these people, you have to select all of them. Okay, just select all of them. And the main point is how to save this setting, because there is no save option. Okay, there is no save option. How we can save it? To save the setting, you have to click here, okay, on the arrow. So if you click on the arrow, then guys, you can see, okay, 13 people is hidden. But guys, for example, if you select more, okay, and if you click on the back, then guys, as you can see, the setting is not safe. Okay, you have to select, and then you need to tap on the back button at the top arrow, and this will save the setting. Okay, so this is how you can solve the problem, and this is how you can set it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. And guys, if you think this video is helpful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.